Welcome back to our channel.
We all know the Audi RS6 is the king of superwagons, right? It's always been the perfect, insane blend of speed and practicality. But this is something else entirely. It's not just a tuned RS6, it's a total rebirth. Built in Switzerland by MTM, the Pangaea GT takes a standard RS6 Avant and turns it into a carbon fiber monster built to hunt hypercars. Seriously, forget everything you think you know about wagons. MTM just tore up the rulebook, the heart of the beast. So, what's powering this thing? Well, it starts with Audi's familiar 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, but that's where the similarities end. MTM's engineers have torn it down and rebuilt it, touching almost everything. They've bolted on new, larger turbochargers, designed a completely new intake system, and written specialized software to unleash a staggering amount of power. The result, over 1,100 horsepower and 1,200 newton-meters of torque. To put that in perspective, the standard RS6 has 621 horsepower, which suddenly sounds almost cute. This isn't just a tune-up. It's a complete reimagining of what this engine can do. What does 1,100 horsepower in a wagon actually feel like? It feels like it's trying to warp reality. The Pangaea GT explodes from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 2.6 seconds. That's nearly a full second faster than the already bonkers stock RS6, and puts it right in the territory of multi-million-dollar hypercars. And it just doesn't stop. It'll keep pulling and pulling, all the way to a top speed of over 350 kilometers per hour, or 217 miles per hour. This thing just doesn't run out of breath. Of course, with that much power, the standard body just wasn't going to cut it. The entire exterior of the Pangaea GT has been scrapped and rebuilt from lightweight carbon fiber. Every single panel is new. The fenders, the doors, the roof with that functional air scoop, and that absolutely massive rear diffuser. This isn't just for looks. It slashes weight, lowers the car's center of gravity, and makes the whole chassis incredibly stiff. The wider track and custom 22-inch center lock wheels give it a stance that looks more ready for a racetrack than a trip to the store.
Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Now let's get back to the topic.
Step inside, and MTM's unique approach continues. They've ripped out the standard 5-seat layout and replaced it with 4 individual carbon fiber bucket seats. That's right, even your passengers get the full motorsport treatment. The whole cabin is wrapped in a mix of premium Alcantara and leather with sharp green stitching, creating a driver-focused cockpit. MTM deliberately avoided cluttering the interior with tons of screens, choosing a more tactile, analog feel that really connects you to the machine. It's luxury that serves a purpose. So, what is the MTM Pangaea GT in the end? It's a statement. It's proof that a practical wagon can deliver the raw, visceral thrill of a hypercar without any compromise. With only 25 of these being hand-built in Switzerland, this is a car defined by obsession and exclusivity. The Pangaea GT takes the best of both worlds idea of the RS6 and pushes it to its absolute screaming limit, creating a car that's as happy on a winding mountain road as it is embarrassing supercars on the Autobahn. But I have to ask you, is this the ultimate one-car garage? A perfect blend of insanity and practicality? Or is putting 1,100 horsepower in a wagon just a step too far? Let me know what you think down in the comments. Thanks for watching. We have a lot more incredible cars coming your way very soon, so make sure you're subscribed. See you in the next one.
Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.